Welcome. In this session, we will talk about some of the questions that were asked in CUET PG Food Science Examination for 2025. Of course, the complete course is available separately on Exam PYQ. We'll discuss about that later. The first question is the foaming property. The foaming is a property which is associated to proteins. Now, what is foaming? Protein which is found in milk or egg white or basically any other substance, it can actually denature and unfold into the air liquid interface. So what happens is the process actually covers both the hydrophobic and the hydrophilic regions of the protein molecule, and these align themselves so that they actually form a stable film which traps the air bubble and creates a feel of a foam. Now, fats and the oils usually destabilize the foam and they interfere with the networking of the protein. So here the foaming structure is classically known with protein. The next is pectin. Now, pectin is known for the presence of D-galactouronic acid. Now here that is none of the choices. So the nearest choices could be galactopyrronic uronic acid. Now D-galactouronic acid is basically the units which are linked by alpha 1,4 glycosidic bonds, and these are the ones which are esterified with methanol. Pectin is very important complex polysaccharide which is present, and it is often used for the gelling properties in fruits and also in the production of gems, jellies and so on. So here the nearest answer could be C. The next is senescence or weeping is a defect of jelly. Now, weeping is one of the defects where the gel actually shrinks and releases the trapped liquid. Now, this could be by various factors. It could be if the sugar acid balance is incorrect. It could be because of the incorrect composition of pectin which is present, or if the boiling is not proper. In that case, again, the weeping effect can happen. But this weeping effect is associated with jelly production, and it leads to a watery surface or a watery layer which is formed on the surface of the jelly. The next is the correct matches. Now, what are the ingredients in the bread and what are their role? So, shortening agents are usually used to give flavor to the product, and it gives, again, an important question. The next is the product and the property of the product. So, biscuits, of course, we know they are flat and crisp, so that's the correct match. Crackers have low sugar and fat content. So crackers like 50-50 is one such common example that you can understand. Then you have hard dough biscuits and soft dough biscuits. Hard dough biscuits are those which have actually partially developed gluten which is present. However, soft dough has a fluid duff and it is usually tender as compared to the hard dough biscuits. So again, a very basic question that was asked. Now, food science and food engineering are two different subjects in the CUET PG examination. So it's very important which subject you are opting for and you take a right course, because food engineering and technology is a course for engineering students, and then there is another course on food science and technology. Both of them have a different code. Also, students for CUET PG can subscribe for apply for maximum of 4 subjects in 1 year. So you can choose, if you are interested, you have a science background, you can apply for both the courses of food engineering as well as food science. But yes, this is where you can actually go and prepare at Exam PYQ for more comprehensive content and the complete solutions for this paper. Thanks for joining. Have a great day.